In today's video, you will learn about 3 natural herbs that can help you have more focus and mental clarity. In recent days, have you ever felt yourself a little distracted, unable to focus on your work? Did you know that some specific herbs can help you with that? Although the Western culture associates mind to the brain, ayurvedic medicine says that the root of the mind lives inside our hearts, and so encompasses all the physical body. According to the herbal expert Cameron Allen, these 3 plants can help you tune in to your interior knowledge. Let's see what they are. Centella asiatica. This is one of the plants that brings the most mental clarity. And according to Ayurvedic medicine, it is good for all kinds of people, as long as it's consumed with moderation. Centella asiatica can be used as a tea or essential oil. It promotes longevity, improves brain function and memory, and aids in meditation. To get its benefits, place 5 to 10 drops of Centella asiatica essential oil under your tongue or add it to any beverage, like tea, twice a day. Reishi mushroom, one of the most documented plants in traditional Chinese medicine. It is also known as the mushroom of immortality. In the book, The Ancient Wisdom of the Chinese Tonic Herbs, Ron Teagarden says that reishi is an amazing anti-stress herb. Used by the mountain hermits and monks in all of Asia, people say that reishi helps calm down the nerves, improves memory, enhances concentration and focus, develops the will, and as a result, helps to build wisdom. In the West, this mushroom is known for its ability to improve the immune system. It can create mental clarity because it is an adaptogen herb, which means it naturally adjusts itself to increase energy or promote relaxation to bring back the balance of your body. Easy to use, it can be found as a powder, capsules, or even as a tincture, which has faster action. To get all these benefits, all you need is to ingest 3 to 12 drops a day as necessary. If you are looking for a subtle sensation of calmness, positivity, and a feeling of connection, try reishi mushroom. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know that we are contributing to you and your health. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help the channel. And lastly, rosemary, which is a popular essential oil that has been mentioned quite a few times on our channel. Rosemary is considered a polycrest, which means it is a medicine that can be useful in many different ways. It improves oxygenation, glucose levels, and strengthening the heart and brain functions. With all of that, rosemary tea is good as a homemade medicine for the memory. So, what do you think? Try these herbs and share your opinions with us. The brain is responsible for coordinating all the functions in our bodies, and so improving its activity means improving our well-being. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.